Regarding the poster which was pasted in Aramal yesterday, we got information at around 10:30 that some provocative poster have been pasted in Aramal near Law College, Tura. So immediately a team from Aramal police station went there to verify, and they found that a poster was pasted on an electric pole. So the team from Aramal have taken down the poster, and they've taken cognizance. They've registered a case against unknown person, and we have registered under section 113 under the new law and section 196 also. So action will be taken against the persons who are responsible for it. We are monitoring the social media also, and certain posts that are very provocative and that are inciting violence, we have taken it down. And we are also monitoring the comments and some posts, and a legal action will follow. Many preventive measures have already been taken. In fact, like deployment of sufficient number of forces, both in Plain Belt area and in the Tura town area and other parts of the district also. And regarding the this was checking for illegal activities like illegal mines. So several meetings have been held, and today also we held a meeting with the Forest Department, chaired by DC, Pollution Control Board, and action are already being taken by Forest Department, and we are providing full support to them also.